Hello YouTube. Today we have the 2017 Kia Forte with the 2-liter engine, and I'm going to be replacing the PCV valve. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. So there's the engine. First thing we need to do is pop off this cover here. It just pulls off. Alright, that cover's off and out of the way, and this thing just locks in. See these little balls? They go into those holes and just hold it there. So right here is your PCV valve. I get a pair of needle nose pliers, slide this clamp back, get that hose off. So you're just squeezing those, twist it back. These hoses usually like to stick. See, it's wanting to turn the whole valve. I don't want that, but that means this valve's gonna come out easy at least. I got it loose. I'll see if I can pull it by hand. That one came off easier than most. This takes a 13/16 socket, but since it came loose with the hose there, I'm hoping I can just spin it out by hand. I cannot, so I'll go ahead and put the socket on it. So that's that. It does sound like it's still good. It's moving pretty freely in there, but these things are so cheap, it does look pretty dirty. Yeah, these things are so cheap, I'm gonna replace it anyway. Here's the new one. Everything's clean in there. And the time I bought these, I'm in the United States. I got them off Amazon. I got two for around $7. It was actually cheaper to buy two than one, so I have another one if I have to do this again. But yeah, you just screw it in there. This is a plastic piece, so you're not really gonna wrench down on it, but I am gonna snug it up with the ratchet there. See, and I'm grabbing right down at the very bottom of the ratchet so I don't hopefully accidentally over tighten it there, but I'm gonna snug it up good so it's fitting in there nicely. Get the hose, put it back on, slide the clamp back on, and then I'll put that cover back on. That just again just lines up with those knobs, and you just press it on. So I'm gonna hopefully have it lined up there. And then just kind of hit it with my hand. There's 1, 2. If 2 are lined up, the rest have to be lined up. And 3. And that is that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps with your issue.